has a question for Maymay and Trata. What kind of action should we expect from your character considering that you're playing a chef? Interesting.
Kuya, isa pa nga. It's very,
Okay, sige.
it's very fast.
What kind of action should we expect from your character
Okay po.
considering that you're playing a chef? In
Um,
English, please.
so, so, I'm a sous chef.
So? So chef!
Can you guys just accept it?
Yes! Kaya pagsimula sa so, okay? As a so chef?
Yes. Hindi, so kung nakikita niyo po, sa mga BTS ko, tsaka yung mga ibang clips po na gumagamit na ako ng knife talaga. So yung expertise ko talaga is knife po. So, marami pa kayong makikita na action scenes na yun yung gamit ko po, weapon.
Is that pikiti? Tama ba yung term or...
Anong PKT ah? Hello Kitty lang
Sorry. May PKT kasi na,
Okay.
na term for knife fighting.
Okay.
Pero yung Hello Kitty,
Pero
baka
kasi,
pwede rin.
pero kasi di ba kuya survival to eh. So kahit anong kutsilyo, mahawa ko.
Ay, grabe, madalim. Majid Maymay. Okay, from social media, Direk Lau, how did you prepare Donnie and Kyle for their action scenes?
Actually, hindi ako nag-prepare. Yung action choreographer, trabaho kasi ni, Erwin Tagle. So, silang dalawa nag-immerse kay Erwin, siguro before ng shooting namin. Ayun, sa behind the scenes nakikita naman yung mga ginawa nila. So, nang nasa set na, pinapakita nila yung mga action sequence na routine. No?
Yeah.
So, me as a director, titingnan ko, ano ko na lang siya. Kung anong location, doon na yung magtitweak ka lang ng konti doon in terms of movement, kung ano yung sipaan ba to, hand combat ba to, so barilan ba yan. So doon na lang yung adjustments. So basically si Erwin Tagle talaga yung nagturo sa akin.
Yeah. Direk, during the workshop, if you may, nila Donnie and Kyle, deliberate ba yung pag-edit ng mga bullets, pati yung action scenes para makita as a preview? Kasi ang ganda na agad eh, akala ko parte na ng eksena eh.
Actually si Erwin yun, siya yung nag-shoot, siya din nag-edit.
Ah, wow.
Galing niya.
Galing niya.
Ang galing.
Kasi trip niya lang gawin yan. And then ipapakita na sa amin sa set.
Kakaibang trip yan, ha?
Trip talaga.
Ang ganda, okay. Maraming salamat. Okay, Sir Nathan. Sir Nathan, there's a question for you. The story is very intriguing. Bakit hostage-taking crisis ang napiling i-highlight for this type of action series?
We really wanted to come up with a story na it's about friendship kasi, about people coming together. And kung napansin niyo from all walks of life. So, we had to devise a situation where it's kind of a powder keg situation. Everybody's there, and sukol na kayo, and you have nobody to rely on but each other. So, we felt that it's the perfect scenario for a story like that.
And then biglang sasabog na lang. Yung mga, not just the characters, but the whole scene as well, no? Oh, beautiful writing. Thank you for making that. To Harvey, Emilio, and Lou. Okay, this series has a good batch of young rising stars. Kamusta ang dynamics nyo with one another sa mga eksena nyo rito? Harvs?
Hindi, ayun. It's Lumay kasi ako eh.
Sorry.
It's good na all of us know each other na going, before getting into set. Tapos doing all the scenes kasi yun nga, very distinct yung characters namin from each other. And alam namin if we're in conflict or kung friends ba kami or what. So going to set with, knowing that, tas hanging outside of set. Kumbaga para na-protect namin yung dynamics namin in character and outside. We have this understanding na okay, we're not working. Tayo muna, hard muna, alam mo yun, we can have fun. Like Sir Joel said. But pagdating sa set, seryoso lahat. Professional talaga lahat. Pag in character na po si Sir Joel as Uno, tahimik. Everyone listens to him. Everyone pays attention. So it's nice to have that environment, especially yun nga, we are working with icons, and I tell Sir Joel every day that it's such an honor to be able to work with them because we all learn. We're all learning from them. And yeah, it's been such a fun set to be in, and it's such a fun cast to be around.
Yeah. Okay, on a side note, just one question. Siyempre, nandun ka sa magiging part ng mga terrorist na atake sa La Playa Roja.
Heist people.
Oh, heist people.
Heist people.
Hindi ka ba nahirapan na yung isa sa mga gagawin mong hostage, yung isa sa mga vloggers?
Makikita po natin yun sa show. Makikita natin yun sa show. if,
naka-incorporate siya.
Yes, yes. So makikita po natin yan kung ano yung art ni Jules.
Okay. Nasa chismoso lang ako eh. Okay, at least may aabangan kaming ganong angle. Okay. Emilio! Okay.
Grew up sobrang saya na makasama tong mga veterans, of course, and the new friends in the industry now. Kasi syempre bago lang po ako dito. But, you know, learning from the greats here, like sina Tito Raymond, Tito Joel, Tito Lorna, Tito Janice, Donnie and Kyle, and of course Maymay as well. Grabe talaga the professionalism that I observe from them. They take their craft very, very seriously, and it's no wonder why they're so successful. So it's an honor to be working with them. And of course, making new friends with the industry kasi ang dami nila eh. We're like 40. And we really have a lot of fun on our day offs. We all get together, we eat together. And when it's on set, like what Harvey said, it's really game on, professional talaga. And everyone brings their A game.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. Well, on a side note, when we say veterans, okay, from here on forward, when we say that word, it just means you guys are living legends, okay? And it's a title that everyone wants to have. It's a good kind of title, okay? Pangalawa, I want to say congratulations, bro.
Thank you.
Kasi back to back acting projects for Emilio Daez. This is one great series to be part of. Napakagaling mo. You're in the right, wow. Ganun, ha? You're in the right track.
Thank you, Rob.
Thanks, Emilio. Lou, before you answer the question, baka may gusto kang batiin dito sa cinema.
Hi, to my family.
Family na palang tawag sa kanya.
And hello to Sarah. Parang gusto
Okay.
niyo show.
Lou, go ahead.
What was the question?
Kamusta ba yung dynamics with one another sa mga eksena nyo rito?
Yes.
Lou?
Kinakabahan ako. But to be honest with you, please, Roha accepting this, I thought I was not gonna have lines, just as like yung first two series ko. So when I got there and I read the script, I was like, damn.
May linya?
She's a badass.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
She has to
Ganyan,
act.
oh.
It really helped na kasama ko ngayon yung mga icons. It's such a powerhouse cast, so it helps. And then I just asked, and I just feel grateful because kahit hindi ako magtanong or just like, I ask and then I learn a lot from them during the scenes, but just being around them, the energy, everyone on set, the professionalism, I learned and grew so much from this project. So it's still ongoing, so I'm excited for it.
Yeah.
And I'm
Can I just say,
Of course.
sobrang marami kayong mga eksena na aabangan talaga kay Lou. Sobrang galing niya dito. I was so happy I just want to say thank you to Lou for accepting this project. Napakagaling na mga action scenes niya. Sa kanila ni Donnie, sa kanila ni Maymay. Wala pa kayong nakikita kasi sa 3 episodes eh. Pero sa kanila, Lou has a lot of really intense action scenes. And hanga kami sa kanya. Yun lang. Yun lang gusto ko yun.
Nabalitaan ko nga sa sobrang galing daw ni Lou, muntik na palitan yung Roja ng Lou. Ganun katindi yung kagalingan ni Lou sa serye to. No, but looking forward to those scenes, Lou. Abangan natin to. From Sais. Ito ang second, Sais. Okay. Now, we got a question from Ate Melbs. Ate Melba Lanera from Pep and Bulgar. For Donnie Pangilinan, gaano kalaking challenge para sa ang gumawa ng isang proyekto bilang solo actor at di kasama si Belle bilang kapareha mo?
Bilis
Kasi
Malaki ngayon.
ang tindi ng question from Ate Nabs eh.
Gano'ng kalaking challenge? Malaking challenge siya. Siyempre, nakakapanibago. Kasi, like I said in other interviews, it's been quite some time na since I acted in a teleserye na. Actually, feeling ko, lahat ng shows, if I would do a series, would be with Belle most of the time, diba? So for the past 5 years, well, 6 years, magkasama kami. And I think this is something we both talked about talaga. And she's also able to do, you know, her own projects. So entering, I didn't know what to expect. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung magiging relationship ko with the cast members, kung ano yung magiging dynamics namin. And it's my first time also to do a project, syempre, na yung co-lead ko is someone na kaibigan ko rin na lalaki. It's very different, the dynamics. Diba? So that in itself, syempre, may pressure. But entering, I knew that it would also entail a lot of growth and maturity. And when you leave that comfort zone, parang dun mo rin nararamdaman yung mga emotions na hindi mo nararamdaman dati. Yung mga eksena na hindi mo nagagawa dati. And yeah, me and Belle are very supportive towards each other. And I think it's a very great position to be in.
Always towards about growth, di ba? Okay, di ba yun naman ang gusto natin lahat, growth. At may pinapasabi rin pala si Belle, it's okay to meet and greet, you know, other people, but we'll never say goodbye.
Ang ganda naman nun.
Ayun ang sabi na kanina, katabi ko si Belle.
At dahil dyan, panoorin niyo po ang Meet, Greet, and Buy. Marami pa po yan. November 11 po, ang premiere. Ayan.
ABS-C.
Ang premiere.
Premiere.
Premiere. Oh.
November
Alam mo, mali ako.
November 11, ang premiere, November 12 ang show.
Yes.
Oh, alam na alam ni Donnie yan. Okay, another question for Donnie and also for Kyle, coming from Danielle of Star Express. This is your first big action drama in Roja. How did you get ready physically and mentally for the tough stunts and fights? Any funny ouch moments from training?
May funny moment to. Pero hindi siya nagtitrain, hindi siya nag-action. May nangyari lang sa kanya.
I have a big scar on my leg, pero it didn't come from any action scene. Natangahan lang po na nangyari sa set. Okay na?
Ano nangyari?
Hindi, ito na, ito ba? Nakita ko kasi siya. Minsan kasi hindi kami magkasama. So galing sa ibang unit, galing din ako ibang unit. So gumagano'n siya. Dumudugo. Sabi ko, grabe bro, ano yung eksena na sinot nyo? Sobrang solid siguro ng action scene na yan, sabi niya sa akin. Bro, nahulog yung speaker ko.
Ang lalim ng sugat.
Ang lalim ng
Oo,
sugat ko.
scar talaga. Oh.
Pero maraming eksena.
Hindi, pero maraming eksena. Actually, I think lahat kami, we can all agree na after the scenes, the next day, the next morning, magugulat ka na lang, ang dami mong bruises all over your body. All of us. I think everyone that, because we all go through some sort of action in this film, and this series. So, that's what we mean by literal na blood, sweat, and tears. Pero enjoy naman, it's part of the process.
Bugbog na yung emotion mo. Bugbog pa yung katawan mo.
Bugbog na yun.
Pero sulit na sulit. Kasi
Sulit.
ang ganda na yung ang ganda ng Roja.
Thank you, Kuya Robs.
Okay. Now, from Kyle, let's have Kai. Montenola. Okay, Kai? The question is, working with Donnie Pangilinan and Kai Lechari looks fun. What's the best part about acting with them, especially after your MMK episode with Kyle? May mga how do you say it? Kyle? Hi, Kyle. You're there. Baby shark.
Again, first of all, I'm so honored to be a part of this cast. Like, even to be sitting here is crazy. Honestly, I'm so nervous. And to answer that question, since I've already worked with Kyle, to be working with all of these people is so nervous. Kasi syempre, as a baguhan lang din, I'm trying my best to observe everything and do the right thing as an actress, as I am introduced now as an actress. So, working with Kyle and Donnie has been so much fun. Kasi hindi nila pinapa-feel sa akin na I'm a baguhan. And they very much welcome me in this cast. So did everyone else. Sorry, natatawa ako. Wala lang. happy lang, di ba?
Mm.
Happy naman.
Yung mga naalala lang si Kai. Siguro yung mga TikTok videos na ginagawa nila doon. Baka lang.
Di ba happy? Super happy.
Happy.
Happy ka ba?
Oh, sobra ba?
Di ba? And,
Si Kai yung
Hindi, alis muna tayo.
Si Kai yung tinatanong ko dito.
Tinanong ako ba?
Okay,
no,
sige.
syempre naman, kasi those happy moments were shared with Kyle and these other wonderful cast. So it was fun. And also, as Harvey said and Emilio, that on set, it's still fun, but professionalism is practiced and is there. So as a baguhan, nakikita ko yun and I adapt to that. And it's really great to be a part of this. And as my first show, like long-term show, I'm very happy to be a part of it. And yeah, 2 more happy moments.
Oh. Happy?
Happy.
Okay. Okay. Just a follow-up right here from Jeffrey Olila Garcia, Jeff Oligar TV. I think nasagot na ni Kai yung katanungan, but if you have any follow-ups regarding this is your official teleserye debut. After your cameo appearance in Saving Grace and your remarkable performance sa MMK with Kyle, what was your biggest challenge or task na hinarap mo during the tapings of Roja? I think nasagot mo na, but do you want to add more?
My biggest challenge.
Biggest challenge.
I guess my biggest challenge is waiting. Kasi hindi naman.
Welcome to the
Wait,
dating
wait,
world.
let me explain myself. So parang kasi yan, it's a waiting game talaga. And grabe, hindi na ako yung naghihintay. Everyone else is waiting. Everyone. But then that's the beauty of this job. Because as you wait, there you get to think about what to do with your time. Will you spend it wisely? Or do you decide to do something else? So in those waiting times, iniisip ko, should I run through my lines? Am I doing this good enough? Emilio, what do you think? You know? Parang, ginagawa ko ba ito na
Napapraning ka na rin, di ba?
Yes! Kasi, wait lang, call time ko na, di ba? Wait lang, what time is it pa? Pero, in those waiting times, even if it's a struggle
Yeah.
to think about what to do, again, I'm very thankful that this is the cast that I have to deal with because they're so much fun. And I'm always with Emilio and AC and most of the people here, so thank you. Thank you to them kasi they really helped me push through as a baguhan. Kaya, props to us!
Kaya just to remind you, this is Rohan at BBB, ah. Kala ko
Sorry, kuya.
parang nasa confession room ka.
Sorry po.
No, but we love Kai being so candid and all with her answers. And tama naman, di ba? Again, welcome to the taping world. Kaya saludo ko sa mga actors and actresses because that's part of the job. The waiting game, but kung ganito naman yung family na kasama mo, it's so fun.
Exactly,
And
right.
also, yung, di ba, ang ganda ng location nyo. So you have the opportunity to unwind and relax over there. The last question right now is dedicated to Uno. Okay, no pressure, Sir Joel. Pero ito na yung huling katanungan para sa media conference natin. I kid you not. This is from Jeffrey Olila Garcia. Hindi ko na po maalala kung kailan po kayo uling nagkontrabida sa isang pelikula o serye. Kasi majority ng mga napanood ko, nakasama po kayo, you've been supported sa main cast. You've been on a leading role at some point or lagi po kayong nasa good side. How challenging naman po na mapunta naman po kayo sa dark side or being an antagonist? Pa-Star Wars to.
Yeah, it's always been the good father, no?
Yeah.
We're character actors. We embrace any role that we have. Mas masaya na yung kontrabida role because you can play around. And I enjoy doing it because wala kang limit. There's more freedom and you can play around. It's been a while now. Sometimes
pag good ka na lang, parang, akala ko nga good father ako rito, pero second day ko sabi sa akin, hindi, may PTSD ka rito, may ganito ka, you're bipolar, you're lahat, ganun pala to. And so I'm embracing it. I love doing it. I think I did one with Yasi, yung Isolated, with the movie. And para extension na lang to. And it's nice to explore the dark side of you, no? Chase your demons and work with your, the darker side of it. And of course, it's very expurgatory na pupurga mo yung mga what's inside of you. Yung mga may hate list ka, it's nice to play around. Even if you don't hate, may mga outlet ka to let go of these emotions. And that's the job of an actor. I-purge mo, purgain mo. You do thumping exercise, you do abandonment exercises, and it's very cleansing after a while. So, if you know what I mean about acting exercises and mga so it really helps also your person, because these exercises are like psychological exercises, like psychiatric. You go through your own psychiatry and you release everything. So I love it. Thank you.
Thank you. Since we're releasing terms, Sir Raymond, you wanna add
Eric
something?
Morris kasi yung sinasabi niya eh. Yung diba, Joel teaching ni Eric Morris yun, abandonment. It's a wonderful teaching about not just to be an actor, but personal growth. Yun ang I think kailangan maintindihan ng nakakarami na tinatawag kaming artista. Pero kami po ay nag-aaral ng malalim. You can call us actors, professional actors. To understand, we read books, psychological books about the teachings and the workings of minds and emotions. Yun lang po.
Yeah. Ganda ng mga terms. We are learning so much from the icons themselves. And just to put it out there, may catharsis. Diba? Cathartic. Masabi lang na may Diba? Catharsis. But there we go. We're done with the Q&A. Palapakan po natin the cast of Roha. Thank you for sending in your